There are many products available to choose shopping carts, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best shopping carts from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. VersaCart Transit. Overall, our favorite shopping cart was the VersaCart Transit. During testing, we found that this cart was spacious enough to carry groceries and still have more room for more. We liked that the bag features a top flap, which means your bags won't get wet if you get caught in rain or snow on the way home from the supermarket. The bag itself was strong and durable, with a square design that makes it easy to pack items efficiently. During testing, we liked that the bag can even be detached and used as a bag on its own. We were surprised that there wasn't an insert for the bottom to give it more structure or stability, but the cart is stronger than it appears. We were able to load up 40 pounds without any sagging, and the weight limit is listed as 120 pounds. Maneuverability was a cinch thanks to a whopping 8 wheels, 2 at each corner, so this pick could spin, take corners, and go up and down stairs easily. Number 2. dbest Cruiser Cart with Shopping Cover. If you don't want to invest a lot in a shopping cart that you might only use occasionally, or you want a spare to stow in a car trunk, the dbest Products Cruiser Cart is the best option. This folds up quite slim, so it doesn't need much room when it's not in use. We liked the bag that lines the cart, but it would have been even better if it had internal pockets to secure smaller or breakable items. The bag is removable, so it's a nice option to use as a shoulder tote on its own. The cart's handle height isn't adjustable, but it was comfortable enough for someone around 5 feet 5 inches. Taller individuals might want a cart with a taller, or at least an adjustable handle. While long-term testing, our taller tester felt like she was slumping down while carrying it, which became uncomfortable on longer trips. The wheels are a bit bulky, but maneuvering it was easy, even up the stairs, which was a nice surprise for a budget-friendly cart. Number 3. Costway Folding Utility Shopping Cart. The Costway folding shopping cart felt like we were pushing a smaller grocery cart at times, but unlike those at your local market, this folds up and clips together. The cart features 2 spacious sections for convenient loading, though it's best to add a liner or keep everything in bags to avoid spilling through the openings. The main section is best for larger items or bagged items with a slimmer compartment in the back. While testing the cart at home in a city, it became part of our weekly routine. We took it half a mile to our grocery store for regular shopping, and we've also used it to haul bags of dog food from the pet store. Despite its bulkiness, it can be carted upstairs on the back wheels. It's too big to lift on its own otherwise, plus it tends to fold in on itself if you attempt to move it that way when empty. Number 4. dbest Products Stair Climber Trolley. Want to carry groceries up the stairs in one trip? The dbest Products Stair Climber Trolley Dolly can actually scale stairs without a hassle. It was a cinch to pull up the stairs during testing, which is not something we can say for every shopping cart on this list. It also maneuvered around corners quite well, though we thought it would be even better if the wheels swiveled. We like that this cart folds up to be nice and compact too, so it's perfect for storing in a trunk or a closet. The canvas bag has both a drawstring and a Velcro lid to secure the contents. The drawback is that the bag isn't big enough for a huge haul, so we think it's better for quicker shopping trips. Still, we appreciate that there are 2 outer zipper pockets for storing smaller items to which you might need immediate access. Taller users might find the stationary handle to be a bit low. Number 5. dbest Products Ultra Compact Cooler. Whether you're heading to a tailgate party or home from the store after scoring a deal on your favorite wine, the dbest Products Ultra Compact Cooler Smart Cart comes in clutch. It looks and maneuvers much like a small suitcase, right down to the retractable handle. The cart is quite lightweight on its own, but it holds up to 4 gallons. You can collapse the bag for easier storage and lower the handle, but otherwise, this does not fold up like the other carts on our list. However, it's on the smaller side, making it easy to store. During our long-term testing, we kept it in our car's trunk to assist with grocery hauls and bring to children's soccer games and playdates. Like a suitcase, this cart is much better for pulling. We found it rolled easily and took turns smoothly. The wheels can glide upstairs, but we preferred using the handle to carry it up instead. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.